Hello and welcome back to another episode of Falkirk Detect. It's a beautiful day. What else can you do? Just get digging. Let's go. Just found this. It's a scratchy signal. 75, 65, that kind of signal. Jumping about. Let's see if we can get anything off it. Looks like a coin. Looks pretty toasted though. Don't know. This one's going to need a clean up. I'll give it a little squirt, come back to you. 2 seconds. Well, I think I found a bit of a coin. You know, kind of looks the same sort of patina the coin would get. It's really weird, it's triangular. It's about the same thickness as a coin. I don't know what it is. If anybody knows, little triangular something, little alien from outer space, I don't know. But it looks like a coin of some sort. Could just be worn down. Anyway, it's a find. Found a coin. Don't know what it is. It's folded over. It looks pretty wrecked. Or toasted, whatever you want to call it. Well, it could just... yeah, I don't think I can get anything off that. No idea. If anything does come up, it'll come up after this shot. Okay, on to the next. Well, I just cleaned this off a little bit. It looks like some kind of weight of measure. It's quite heavy. It's definitely lead. It looks like it's... I might weigh it when I get home and see what weight it is exactly. Whether it's ounces or... but yeah, it's quite cool. Quite like that. It's a nice shape. Right, let's keep going. I'll just come across this buckle. It's missing the pin. Probably be able to get a date for that. It's a nice shape. It was quite old. Well, if you know what it is, what year it is, what century, drop a comment. Hopefully I'll have checked it out. I'll speak to some of the other guys in the club, see what they think. Cool, a buckle, nice. Could be a shoe buckle. Looks like the shape. Right, I've just come out to another site this afternoon. Went home for a bit of lunch. I had to recharge this battery, like I said. It was kind of dying earlier. I didn't actually find anything after. My battery died. So, you've not missed anything at all. This seems fairly modern. Don't know what it is. Some kind of retaining clip or something. I have no idea. Anyway, there you go. Not sure what this is. It's like it's got a bit of brass in there. Doesn't look very old. Still a signal. You've got to dig them, haven't you? It's coming out at 70, 72. Quite a strong signal. Got a strong signal rigging in at 75. It's my favourite. A musket ball. Woohoo! Sweet. That means there's some good stuff on this field. Find a musket ball, you'll find it all. That's my motto. Oh, I think we've got a coin. Ah, looks like a new 2p. Yep. Still, it's a coin. Let's see if I can get a date of it. Not sure. Can you spot it? It's a coin. Just put it back down there. This was ringing in about 60. Got a lovely colour on it. Let's see if we can get any detail of it. Oh, it's fallen to bits. Look. I'll see if I can give it a clean up with some water. See if anything will come up, but it's starting to crumble a bit. It's my favourite again. Woo! It's a little musket ball. Took me ages to find that. Stay at that hole. It's huge. Right, that's good. Stick it in the pocket. That's 2 I've got today. What's that, 3? Oh, I can't remember. Can't count. It's been a long day. Right, back in the pouch. Well, just found a bullet. Must be World War II, World War I maybe. Something like that. Certainly wouldn't like to get hit by that. Look at the point in that. My goodness. Right, that's fine. I'll put it in with the rest of the ammunition in my pouch. That's good. It's just like a little carrot. Look at it. Right, I think I've just found the coin. Let me take these headphones off. It could be a button. Oh, it's a button. Okay. Half the shank is gone. Just give it a little dust. Oh, hang on. Dust. A little wet. See if it will come up. Let's give it a little brush. It might have been silver plated. Not sure how old it is. It's got a bit of patina on the back, so it could be. Well, it's my first button today. I'm just on the way back to the car.